One day. But yeah, I told y'all, pop that rock out. Oh, I don't think we made it. Yeah. Yeah, she really. Yeah, she really keep it popping. Hey, what's up with it, y'all? Tap in, man. What's up with it, man? I told y'all, man. I pop on my own damn live. I told y'all, man. It's good to have two channels. You hear me? You can pop on both of them hoes and be like, hey, told y'all, man. I ain't playing no game, man. Ah, what's up with it? What's up with it, y'all? How y'all day today, y'all? Man, what it do? What it do? How y'all day? Everybody Gucci? All my bros, I told y'all, man, we gonna keep it popping. You hear me, y'all? No cap, man. Say, no, we the best. Everybody, thumbs up. Please salute. Be safe. Be your channel, y'all. It's going down, y'all. No cap. Everybody, keep up the good work, y'all. I told y'all, man. Say, I told y'all, they can't stop us, y'all. We the best. And yeah, bam. Non stop. It's good to have two channels, man. You can pop on one and pop on the other. You hear me? You can collab with yourself at the same damn time. Ah, I told y'all, man. Didn't I tell y'all, man? I'm gonna show y'all some shit. Y'all like, what the hell? Yo, I'll pop on both of my shit. I try to tell y'all this shit, man. We're gonna keep it popping, y'all. Appreciate everybody, y'all. No cap, man. We the best channel, y'all. You hear me? I'm gonna show y'all, man. I will pop out with my own damn channel. You hear me, y'all? And just to show y'all, man. I'm gonna keep it popping. They can't stop me. We the best. Salute. Bang. I told y'all gonna see some shit on my channel, y'all. Man, I got some more shit coming, y'all. Y'all just don't know. I told y'all, man, we the best. No cap, all my brother. Who doing this shit like this? Nobody. Me, that's who. Catch up. Try to tell y'all, man, we the best. Yeah, we the best, y'all. No cap. Y'all let the haters know, man. They better catch up. No cap. All my bros represent y'all channel, man. We ain't playing no games, man. Yeah, we ain't playing. D-Town, y'all. Represent where y'all from. You hear me? Represent y'all channel. You hear me? Come on, y'all. Anybody hate? Represent your channel. Tap in. Yeah. Bars. I try to tell y'all, man. Say, we taking up. We doing some new shit. You, y'all don't want. I told y'all, y'all don't want to jump on my live link. I drop on my own live link. Bars. I'm gonna pop. If I gotta pop with my damn self. I'm gonna show y'all some shit, man. I'm telling y'all. Say, stay tuned, man. Stay tuned, man. I got some shit coming. Y'all gonna be like, how the hell? What the? Yeah, I told y'all, man. We got both. When you got each other doing numbers, man, you can hop on any one of them. You hear me? It's going down, y'all. You hear me? Tell them haters to catch up. You hear me?